Today was a mentally challenging day. Thank the Lord it's Friday. Oh no, it didn't hold. I'm glad it's over. And I am getting ready. Put a charcoal mask on. Boom. I'm gonna take a bath. And then I'm gonna eat some chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. Then I'm gonna sit down and watch television while I put this puzzle together. And that is gonna be my Friday night. Today was the first day of these things. Tray number 6. Switched those out last night. Went really well. So far, no major spots of tenderness. All going super well. I also got this in the mail. This thing is weird. It's a GoPro mount. You're supposed to do it with your mouth. Look. Oh. I gotta keep my mouth closed so it doesn't fall out, or just don't try to talk with it in. The idea is, instead of having it mounted, you can use it like this or wherever, but I'm thinking, I've seen people use this when they are on the bike, so they can hold it and shoot things. You can even do this. I've seen people do this with it. Like hold chest mount, and it should stay in place. We'll find out. It might not be the best thing with Invisalign, but it's pretty slippery. See? Ow. Better quit doing that. I'll end up pulling a tooth out. You're supposed to be able to heat these up and then bite into it, and it'll squish your teeth into to help hold it. But I'm not going to do that until after these, so that my teeth are perfect. I'm thinking ahead. Here's Soxy. Hello, love. Hello, little one. Hi. I bet she's going to be big help with the puzzle. They usually are. Aren't you? Are you such big help when I do puzzles? Okay, Friday night, tray 6, day 1, done.